So say it with hope and you were sure. I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. We just leave out. We're supposed to reach at the restaurant from 6:30, but we take some time to make it reach late. So hopefully we catch the restaurant. And so this is what I'm wearing tonight. Nice little sexy green dress. You can wear both ways. You can wear tall and you can wear short. Me dry it up short. Yeah, so when we reach at the restaurant, we will check back in with you guys and make you know what's happening. Okay? You see that taxi driver here, no Billy here? He lie, you see?
Yes,
guys, you know how long me wait for him? Finally reach. 30 minutes later and him finally reach. Anyway, on our way to New Kingston now, we are going to Porch restaurant. And hopefully, it's, as me saying in the previous clip, it's still open. Billy there at the back when I'm not seeing. So I'll definitely check in with you guys. I'm not gonna know what's up. And if you're in Kingston, I want a taxi driver, I can link him. I'm lying about him, alright.
I'm a rapist, yeah?
No, I'm not a rapist. We can't vouch that one day. But I go taxi driver, but him lie. Anyway, I'll definitely check in with you all. I'm not gonna know what's up. We just reached in Billy the vessel. Take about less than 10 minutes reaching. I hope you guys hear me, because you know we have to have house and all of them something there. So we'll check in back with you all and make you know what's up. You guys have to play copyright music and play, so you know what to say. Can't stay too long, we just need to.
Just don't get too far and I'll be right where you are.
Melodies pure and true.
I just want us to always be, to always be.
Guys, fruits are being nice and copyright music, so you can probably hear me. Anyway, remember the new pasta. Nobody they just sit there and let the gun and wait and just walk past.
Guys, I see a copyright. I play.
To be honest with you, the food was a hot mess. Trust me. The food was a hot mess, but the night was okay.
we are going home. How was the day overall?
The day good, you know.
And to sum up the night, how was it?
I say probably 5% on the food and the rest of that.
Yeah, 5% on the food.
The environment good.
The environment is
otherwise,
wonderful. But I think if you come like in the day, you will like see the real beauty. But and then to a COVID time, every work was done early, so yeah. But otherwise, from that, the day was good, and yeah. So I'll definitely check in with you guys when we reach home. So later, people, we are back home now. Just reach home. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and we will see you all in our next video. Come back, come end the video. Come end the video. Say people bye bye.
Thanks all. Gym time. Shit.
Alright guys, peace out. Bye bye.
Hey Billy, happy birthday!
Hey yo, Billy. Happy birthday, brother.
I am so sorry I didn't get a chance to do the video for you. Honestly, I was going to do it today, but then I didn't realize it was actually today. So we just wanted to stop by here to say a happy birthday. Hope you had an enjoyable day, because you know we are family right here. And Billy, I hope you're gonna get a chance to go to the gym later.
All right, Billy. So yo, it's better to be late than never, bro. So you don't know. Enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? Drink whole heap. I mean, it's a pandemic, but don't know. Full enjoy yourself. You know what I mean? And don't end it. Just full it up. You know what I mean?
All right. Happy birthday again.
Hey Billy, it's Trigger Living here. I want to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope today was a beautiful day. You had a lot of fun, and also Cavian let you go to the gym. And all right guys, bye.